आप लोग एक्शन क्यों नहीं ले पा रहे हैं? क्योंकि एक्शन लेते ही तो काम हो जाएगा, राइट? आप में और आपकी सक्सेस के बीच में सिर्फ एक एक्शन ही तो बचा है। एक्शन ले लिया तो सक्सेस आ ही जाएगी, बट फिर भी आप एक्शन नहीं ले रहे हो। इसीलिए मैंने वीडियो बनाई है, सो दैट यू नो कि आपके सबकॉन्शियस में वो कौन से ब्लॉक्स हैं जिन्हें आप रिमूव करके एक्शन ले पाए, और एक्शन लेते ही तो आपका काम हो ही जाएगा। सो जस्ट वॉच दिस वीडियो एंड बाय द वे सब्सक्राइब सो दैट you are able to reprogram your subconscious for your success. Alright, let's get into it. Now, don't think that you're lazy. It's really not also lack of time. It's something deeper. And also, you know exactly what you need to do. And as I'm a manifestation coach, I know that even if your idea is not really clear that what you need to do, all you need to do is start the manifestation techniques. And then you will also come to know what actions you need to take. You will get there, you know. But the first point is that start taking action. But why is your subconscious not allowing you to take actions? And you just literally hate it. और hate करने से क्या होगा कि there will be no action and no change in the circumstances, and they'll just keep on becoming worse and worse and worse. And obviously हम लोग ये नहीं चाहते हैं। तो फिर देखो आपकी सबकॉन्शियस क्या कहती है, उसके अंदर वो कौन सी डीप चीजें हैं जिसकी वजह से आप एक्शन नहीं ले पा रहे हो। सो बिकॉज एक चीज तो क्लियर है, हम सभी अपनी लाइफ चेंज करना चाहते हैं। वी ऑल वांट टू चेंज आवर लाइव्स, आवर बिजनेसेस, वी वांट एवरीथिंग टू फ्लोरिश, but there is a distance that from here to here the subconscious has created this big wall which we are not able to cross. अब इतनी बड़ी ये दीवार है, ये दीवार कैसे टूटे? Let me give you 3 points and after that you'll be able to break that wall. और इस वॉल पर हम लोग, especially if I talk about my business manifestation coaching, we work on this wall at every level. For example, if you inquire about my coaching, then my team will talk to you and work on this wall. If you are attending any of my webinars or you take discovery session with me, then I immediately work on this wall, because this is the first thing which is blocking you to become successful. Otherwise, potential wise, I know if you are qualified enough that you can watch and understand a manifestation video, then you have all the potential to be super successful. So be rest assured of that, and you deserve to be successful because of that potential. All right. चलो सीधे 3 रीजंस देखते हैं सबकॉन्शियस के। रीजन नंबर 1 होता है द लैक ऑफ क्लैरिटी। एग्जैक्टली वी डोंट नो हाउ दिस कैन बी डन, वी डोंट नो द माइन्यूट स्टेप्स which are needed to be taken. So it's ambiguity, and ambiguity means your subconscious will tell you that, you know, let it just happen, let's not take action, because you have not given yourself that clarity. And how to get that clarity? Again, you need to work on it. You can write on paper and, you know, break down those minute steps which you're supposed to take. And for that, of course, you can do the manifestation technique of journaling. You can start with that and you will, you know, receive that guidance and your mind will have clarity. So that is reason number 1. Then reason number 2 comes your emotional blockages, emotional resistance. It's coming from the past where you failed, past where someone cheated you, betrayed you, past when you were not good enough, or past someone else did and they failed. So you take it as a blockage that what if I fail? What if I go there and it's not worth the risk? Let me tell you, if you don't take the risk, you're not getting anywhere anyways, because not taking the risk is the biggest risk. You are going downhill from here. It's all AI and it's a very competitive and saturated world. The requirements are changing every other day. And if you don't take action, you are going downhill. Be sure of that. It's time to remove that emotional resistance now. So sit with yourself and think of that doubt, that past hurdle or past failure, and create an opposite affirmation and keep affirming this till the time you remove it. Now, the third and the most important reason is if you are disconnected with your purpose. मतलब कि let's say I become rich, but why? Why should I become rich? Why should I work so hard to earn money? मतलब मुझे क्या करना है? So all these things means that your subconscious is somewhere not connected with your purpose. Now, when you are watching the video and you have reached this section, specifically you may pause the video and ask yourself, what is my purpose? Why I want to earn money? Is there someone who needs my money? Do I need to provide for my family? Do I need to educate my children? Do I need to take care of my parents? Or I need to build my identity? You can have these several things. And sometimes it's just a matter of independence, financial independence. You don't have to take money from your parents, right? Or anyone who's giving you that money. You need to have your own money. It's just identity and freedom. So that is your real purpose for making the money. And when you tell your subconscious that I want to make money because this is my purpose, money equals to respect, money equals to financial freedom, money equals to identity, money equals to helping my family, then your subconscious will be really motivating you to take action, and you will take every possible action for your success. And this is the third reason that your subconscious is blocked. So, next time you catch yourself hesitating, taking that action, just ask yourself these three questions. Am I afraid that I don't have clarity? Or am I carrying any emotional blockage from the past? Or do I lack my purpose? Ask yourself these three questions. Your subconscious will open up and literally ask you to move forward and take action. And anytime you need any help in taking action or with the manifestation coaching for your business, you can find the link to book a call and we are here to help you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.